What's the meaning of clinging? Clinging. Clinging.
Clinging. Clinging. Clinging refers to the act of holding onto something tightly, often out of fear or a sense of attachment. The result of clinging can vary depending on the situation. In some cases, it may provide a sense of security or comfort, while in others it can result in stagnation or a lack of growth. Clinging to old beliefs or habits can prevent personal development and impede progress. Similarly, holding on to negative emotions or relationships can lead to emotional distress and hinder one's ability to move forward.